Ever imagined working in the skies or behind the scenes of a high-powered airline operation? Whether you're dreaming of becoming a flight attendant, pilot, technician, or air traffic controller, the aviation industry has a place for you. Airlines hire for a wide range of exciting roles, and while the job requirements may vary, the path to landing your dream airline job follows a few clear steps. In this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to know, from meeting qualifications to acing the interview. Let's dive in and get you one step closer to your airline career. Meeting the requirements. To work in the airline industry, you'll need the right education, and it depends on the job you're aiming for. Flight attendants usually just need a high school diploma or GED. Air traffic controllers must have a bachelor's degree or 3 years of solid work experience, followed by specialized FAA training. Technicians, like aircraft maintenance or avionics specialists, typically need a bachelor's in engineering or a related field, plus certification. Pilots need the most extensive training, a bachelor's degree, pilot's license, and FAA-certified flight school experience. Physical requirements also matter. For example, most flight attendants must be between 5 feet 0 inches and 6 feet 3 inches and able to lift up to 70 pounds. Pilots, flight attendants, and air traffic controllers must have 20/20 vision or corrected vision. You'll also need to be at least 18 years old, fluent in English, and legally authorized to work in the United States. Most positions require you to pass a medical exam, and pilots must be re-evaluated every 6 months to stay certified. You'll also need to pass a security background check. Airlines take safety seriously, so this check will be more detailed than most regular jobs. Finding and applying for airline jobs. Now let's talk about how to find those job openings. Start by browsing airline job boards and official company websites. Platforms like Indeed, LinkedIn, or directly on airline career pages are great places to start. Can't find the right opportunity online? Try contacting airlines directly. Some openings aren't posted yet, and your initiative could put you on their radar early. Before applying, prepare a strong resume and cover letter tailored to the role. Highlight your relevant experience, whether it's customer service, tech skills, flight training, or even volunteer work. Customize it to show you're the right fit for the job. Preparing for the interview. Got the interview? Nice work. Now it's time to make a great impression. Research the airline in advance, know their routes, fleet, and values. Update your logbook, if you're a pilot, and make sure your documents are organized. Dress professionally, speak clearly, and stay confident. Flight attendants, pilots, and even technicians often interact with passengers or represent the airline, so friendliness and professionalism go a long way. Be ready for a mix of questions. Some roles may require technical tests or multiple interviews, especially for pilots, while others may be quicker. Come prepared with examples that show your responsibility, communication, and teamwork skills. Final tip: conduct yourself like a pro. No matter the role, always carry yourself with respect and professionalism. Airlines are looking for competent, reliable, and safety-conscious individuals who reflect their brand. A great attitude and a calm, confident approach can set you apart. The airline industry offers exciting and rewarding careers, whether you're in the sky or supporting from the ground. With the right education, preparation, and professionalism, your next job could be just a flight away. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.